This is Abby from OP, and this is me just popping in again to tell you about our Fanime camp that we have coming up. What is Fanime, you might ask? Well, if you already know, you know, but if you don't, it's when you take everything anime that you love and then you take every other fandom that you love, whether it's Doctor Who, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, another movie, books, whatever, and you mush them together and then we just celebrate our fandoms and our anime interests. So, Fanime. It's gonna be a ton of fun, and we're specifically gonna be focusing on how we can incorporate our Fanime interests into our art. Just to give you an example of maybe some of the stuff we're gonna do during our Fanime camp, I'll go ahead and do something fun, maybe about how to draw the cliche main character's weird haircut. We all love it, we all know it exists. So I'm just gonna throw it out there. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll see how that goes. You should totally do it with me. So go grab some paper, maybe a pencil, a pen if you're feeling bold. I'm basing my main character's crazy anime hair off of, I'm gonna go with Yu-Gi-Oh! And Hunter x Hunter. Yeah, we're gonna go in for a lot of spikes, so bear with me. I also chose pink because, you know, main character, pink hair, it all comes together. So we have pink, and if I'm channeling a little bit of my Yu-Gi-Oh hair, then we're gonna have some big swoopy bang spikes because it's fun. And then of course you wanna get an ear, don't wanna forget about those. And then you've gotta have the back of the neck spikes. Those are very important. You don't want to forget those. Finally, volume is so key, right? You can't get big enough with the hair in anime. We're gonna really channel the spiky, gravity-defying anime good stuff that we know and love. And then you just touch it up and you have a perfect main character hairdo. We'll name him Tim. I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial. It was very silly, but I'm a silly person, so you're welcome. It was fun anyway. Regardless, you should come check out the camp. It's gonna be awesome. I love art, I love fandoms, I love anime, so if you're into that, you should come hang out with me. Find out more information on our website at opheliaspace.net. Register, all that good stuff. And of course, you should follow, subscribe, like us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, of course. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.